This is Venice Live Moments, where the floating city reveals itself in motion. No scripts, no filters, just the heartbeat of Venice, captured as it happens. In today's episode, we dive into one of Venice's most heartfelt traditions, the Festa del Redentore, a celebration of gratitude, community, and beauty on the water. Let's discover how the city transforms for this magical night. Let's take a look behind the scenes of this unique Venetian event. Every year in mid-July, something special happens in Venice. A floating bridge begins to take shape, connecting Redentore to the island of Giudecca. This temporary bridge is called the Ponte Votivo, or Votive Bridge, and it leads directly to the Church of the Redentore. Built in just a few hours using modular floating platforms, it allows thousands of Venetians to walk across the canal for the Redentore celebration. The Church of the Redeemer, or Il Redentore, is one of Venice's most iconic landmarks. Built by the great architect Andrea Palladio in the late 1500s, it was a votive offering to thank God for the end of a devastating plague. Every July, Venetians celebrate the Redentore Festival, crossing a floating bridge to this church in a tradition of faith, fireworks, and festivity. Join Best of Venice and discover the hidden rhythm of everyday life in Venice.